scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Price level down and unemployment down looks weird, but watch this quick macro shortcut. Match those two signals to the only short-run shift that fits. A fall in the price level plus a fall in actual unemployment means output rises while prices drop. So aggregate demand is not the driver here because demand usually pushes prices up. That pattern matches a rightward shift of short-run aggregate supply, since more output lowers unemployment and the bigger supply pushes the overall price level downward at the same time. Now test the choices. Lower nominal wages reduce firms' production costs, shift SRAS right, and create exactly that lower price, lower unemployment short-run result. Well done! Scan now. Trap, do not mix signs or rush. Rule, trust the given changes, then check which shift matches both outcomes.